The Art of Happiness. Summary: Tom is a normal man. He has a job, a house, and friends. But something is missing. He often feels sad, tired, or stressed. He wants to be happy, but he doesn't know how. One day, he finds a book called The Art of Happiness by the Dalai Lama and Dr. Howard Cutler. It changes the way he sees life. This book is a conversation between a Buddhist monk, the Dalai Lama, and a Western doctor, Dr. Cutler. They talk about one big question: how can we be truly happy? Tom learns many important lessons from this book. He decides to try them in his life. 1. Happiness comes from the mind. The Dalai Lama says that real happiness does not come from money, jobs, or things. These things can make you happy for a short time. But true happiness comes from your mind. You can learn to be happy by changing how you think. Tom understands this. Before, he always wanted new things. Now, he starts to focus on feeling calm and positive inside. He tries to think good thoughts. This helps him feel better every day. 2. Compassion makes life better. The Dalai Lama teaches that compassion, caring for others, is very important. When you help others, you also feel happy. Being kind makes your heart warm. It also helps you have good relationships. Tom tries to smile more, say kind words, and help his friends and family. When he does this, he feels more peaceful and connected. He sees that small kind actions can bring big joy. 3. Pain is a part of life. Everyone has problems. Everyone feels sad sometimes. The Dalai Lama says that pain is a natural part of life. But we can learn from pain. We can grow stronger when we face difficult times. One day, Tom loses his job. He feels bad at first, but then he remembers the Dalai Lama's words. He takes time to think. He finds a new job that he likes more. He learns that bad things can lead to good changes. 4. Train your mind like a muscle. The mind is like a muscle. You need to practice good thoughts every day. It takes time, but you can get better. You can learn to be more calm, kind, and strong. Tom starts meditating for 5 minutes each morning. He also writes 3 things he is thankful for every night. These small habits help him feel more relaxed and positive. 5. Be patient with anger. Anger and hate can hurt us. The Dalai Lama says that patience is stronger than anger. When we feel angry, we should stop and breathe. We should think before we act. Tom used to get angry when people didn't agree with him. Now he tries to listen more. He doesn't shout or fight. He feels better and has fewer problems with others. 6. Love is more than a feeling. Love is not just about strong emotions. True love needs understanding, respect, and care. These make relationships last. Tom has a girlfriend. At first, everything feels perfect. But then they have some problems. Instead of fighting, they talk. They learn to understand each other. Their relationship becomes stronger. 7. You can be spiritual without religion. The Dalai Lama says you don't need to follow a religion to be spiritual. You just need to live with good values, like kindness, honesty, and patience. These help you live in peace. Tom doesn't go to church or temple, but he starts to think more about how he lives. He tries to be a better person each day. 8. See problems in a new way. When something bad happens, try to look at it in a new way. Maybe you can learn something. Maybe it can make you stronger or kinder. Tom misses a train one day and gets angry, but then he meets an old friend at the station. They talk and laugh. Tom sees that bad moments can have good surprises. Final message. The Dalai Lama says that the main goal in life is to be happy, but real happiness doesn't come from money, things, or being famous. Those things may make you feel good for a short time, but not forever. True happiness comes from inside your heart and mind. It grows when you show kindness to others, forgive people and yourself, understand your thoughts and emotions, and stay calm during hard times. You can't control everything in life. Sometimes bad things happen, but you can choose how you react. If you practice thinking in a positive and peaceful way, you will feel better, even when life is difficult. Also, the book teaches that you don't need to be perfect to be happy. You just need to grow a little every day. A small act of kindness, a calm breath in a stressful moment, or a thankful thought before bed. These small things build a happier life over time. Tom, the character in our story, is not perfect. He still makes mistakes and faces problems, but now he knows how to handle them better. He feels more peace in his heart, and he smiles more. That is the art of happiness, a life with more love, peace, and meaning. And you can learn this art too. Dear friends, if you're looking to grow, improve your English, and make your life better step by step, I warmly invite you to subscribe and join this journey with me.